Now for the final taste. How is it?
Really good.
Really good? Cheers! Wow. Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Maximum 8 minutes, but I'm going to go through and just show everything and you decide for yourself how long it's going to take. Okay, for starters, I have 3 pre-cooked chickens. So remembering, this is for my family, so this is the amounts that I use. 3 pre-cooked chickens. I have diced 2 whole onions and about a handful of garlic. Now getting it this fine, trust me, I have no culinary skills or anything. So my culinary skills are a stick blender. So I've just placed it straight into a stick blender and that's how perfect it looks. Then we're going to add some shallots, season it with pepper, salt and a bit of chili flakes. So to start off, we want to heat up our pan and add some olive oil. That should do it. That's probably about, I don't know, probably a quarter of a cup. Just heat that around. Okay, first of all we're going to add the garlic. Throw that all in with a little bit of chili flake, maybe a little bit more. Oh, don't worry about it, add the whole lot. We love our chili, family loves the chili, so we're going to brown that up a little bit, soften it up, add some pepper, and just keep that stirred. Remember, these quantities are for my family, so this is what we're having for dinner tonight. You don't have to add so much garlic, it's entirely up to you. Smells unreal. Okay, keep going to the changes of colour, gets a little bit brown, and then we add our onion. Okay, as you can see that the onion, garlic and the seasoning have all discoloured. That's what we want. Beautiful aroma, fantastic smell. So now we're going to add the chicken. Remembering, I have 3 whole chickens. And if there's anything left over, it's great for school lunches. And just place that in. I've just broken up all the chicken. Okay, and then from there, we just add the cream. So depending on how much cream you want, how thick you want it, how much juice you want, you decide. Add a bit of a stir. Make sure you get right underneath. Add a couple of shallots, handful of shallots. Season again with some salt. Depending on how salty you like it, you decide. A little bit more pepper. And a bit more cream. And probably just cook it for about another 5 minutes until your rice is done. We're going to serve this up with some steamed rice. A few more shallots. So let that sit on low heat. For a couple more minutes, and I'll see you soon. Testing your llama?
Yeah.
Okay. Steamed jasmine rice. And we're going to add our creamy chicken,
Yum.
which took no longer than, I'd say, 6 minutes to cook. So for all those busy parents out there, this is the meal that you need to make. The kids love it. And voila, there you are, creamy chicken and rice. Would you like to taste?
Yes, please.
Might be a bit hot. Ready? What do you think? Hot?
Yeah.
Is it a thumbs up?
Yes.
It's a thumbs up.